Guys, guess what? I just bought a Beyblade and it just came straight away. This is the unboxing Stretch Strike Beyblade. So, just got my scissors and boom. There's Rocktafor. It's quite nice. It's kind of like doing Fafnir. I've got one, but it was a bit of a rip-off. It was quite fake, actually. I can see here, these parts come out a bit, but you need very tiny hands to get them. You can hear it. That's nice, very nice. I'm not too sad about that. You can see its laser coming up. Now we've got its tip. Let's get the scissors for that as well. Boom. Cut. Cut and cut. Oh, lid fell off the table then. That's the tip. It doesn't move. Everyone says this piece moves. It really doesn't. Showing you the truth now. This part does not move. Look. Doesn't move. So, let's do that. Boom. This is Rocktafor R3. Should we go and test it out? I can't, because we are going to be going somewhere, and yeah, it's going to be a tiny bit of a bummer. I can't show you, so we will have to go in a minute. But that was Rocktafor R3. Wait, let's test it on the table. Let's try it somewhere here. Let's just do it here. Right spin and left spin. Right. Oh, beautiful. It's kind of shaky only because it's in there. And if I try doing that, it locks straight back in. So I can lock it into that one, and then it will be left. It's quite nice. My sister's here, and she likes Beyblades, don't you?
Hi guys, yeah, they're okay. They're not my favourite.
Yeah, she likes Sims 4 better. Yep, let's try left spin on it. I think it will be quite good on this. So, boom. I feel like it needs a bit more momentum. Let's try it up. Let's move that. Boom. 3, 2, 1. That's why. Rocktafor 3 isn't left spin, is it? Boom. That was a nice unboxing, and hope you all enjoyed. See ya later. Bye!